Okay, hi, hello guys. Okay, so we have our conceptual mass that I show up on a few shorts, right? So I'm gonna create a new project, right, under the architectural template, the Imperial Multidisciplinary. Then I'm gonna go back to my mass, right, my mass model, and I need to load it into the project. So it's gonna show me this message. Okay, you just need to close it. Okay, you have your project here, right? You're gonna place it on the work plane that is our XY. Basically, that's the only thing that we need to do. Overall here, let me go back and bring back my project browser and my properties because I need to use them a little bit, right? Project browser and properties. Okay, there we go. So let's go to our south elevation on our project browser really quick because we need to create some models, and also on the 3D, right? On the 3D is better if you can open those scope boxes all the way up. Got it? Both of them, because this is what manage our views, our view range on our views. Let's go to the south elevation so we can see all of them. Now let's create a few levels, right? Let's go to architecture, let's go to datum and level. And with the pick lines, let me do the first, change the first one here for 35, 40 feet, right? It's gonna be my lobby and everything. And then the rest of the uh, floors, right? Let's go to floors or levels. Let's do those levels. Okay, base it on maybe like 25 feet high. And also, of course, create a plan view, right? Create a plan view so you can reply those levels with the same height, right? So we're gonna do a few. Okay, we're gonna do like thing like 30, 29, a few more. So just be patient with me on this video because it's actually worth your time. Okay, there we go. So let's do all this, right? Okay, I've been getting a lot of comments on Revit. It only does really square, ugly buildings. So, well, guess what? We can work it out a way that we can get an amazing skyscraper building like this one here. Got it? Also, way to the penthouse or something similar. Okay, I think we got all the levels. Okay, well, let's go work on 3D now. And here, we're gonna go here to create our floors by mass, right? So we need to select the mass, right? And then there's our mass floors, right? So here, and we need to select each and every one of the levels. If you want to skip a level, well, that's fine, right? It will be have like a double height or something, right? So it's also possible. Okay, a suggestion. Okay, not the main thing, but let's do all those 30 floors. Okay, there we go. And then do those, and then it's gonna create you faces inside the mass. But now here we need to go and create those floors, right? Floors by face. And we need to be careful because we need to actually select each and every one of the faces, right? You can do a window selection, but it's gonna pick up some that you're gonna do like a roof by face as well. So well, let's do those, right? And you can designate if you want all the ceramic. Right now, let's put them all on generic for now, right? Because it's one of the purpose of the video is just to show you the basics here. I'm gonna switch here because it's kind of like hard to select those floors uh, the proper way. There we go. Okay, there we go. And then we create the floors. Got it? There we go. Okay, it's telling me that it has some inaccuracies there. Okay, I'm gonna ignore it for now. I will go be back here. I don't see any accuracy, but okay. Then, guys, here's the main thing. Everything that was what everybody was looking for is going to this curtain system and then create a system based on a face, right? So you select the face and you create the system. Got it. So we need to do this all around our building. We're not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna show you just like I said the basics. So I'm gonna select another face and I'm gonna create that system. Okay, this system only create us the grid lines. Okay, it's gonna create us only the grid lines. Okay, it doesn't mean that is not going to create us everything. Okay, I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. Let me create the systems first. Okay, there we go. Create the system. Okay, then under the architectural tab, under mullion, right, we need to create it on all the grid lines, right, all the grid lines, and you select the whole system. Okay, the whole system. Now the problem is because of the height of the building, 750 feet up, right, we need to wait. That's why is the little clock there. Why? But when you zoom in, you're gonna notice now that we got, right, millions, right, and we're gonna have to go and deal with these 2 millions around here, and so, but it's creating you guys your system, right, your system of millions. If this one is all made out of glass, it's gonna be able to create you guys your systems, right? And as a system, as also, you can select the whole system, and then you can go to edit type, and we can change the spacing, right? We can change the spacing. I can change this one for 10 and 10, right? And apply it, and it's gonna make a little change, right? The problem is you need to be patient because this one needs time to calculate, right? All the millions, how the millions are working, right? And it's doing over a big height, right? That's why I just choose this one. And still, right, it's taking quite a little bit of time, right? Okay, then, okay, I think it's almost finishing. I saw a few things. There we go. So we got more clear paints. I'm gonna agree on this one, right? And I got a little bit of difference here. Got it? Okay. So this is what words are time, right? Let's go back and redo it really quick. So let's do a curtain system. Let's select the face. Let's create the system first, right? So let's create those systems. Or even better, let's say this one, we can do also a wall by face. You see, there's a wall by face, right? And this one, this particular one, right, is now a wall. Let me just show you guys here under shaded. There's our wall, right? Okay, so maybe those two parts, right, can be made out of a solid. Okay, so okay, I'm doing this. The problem is I already grab let me undo it a little bit. Let me grab that system and try to delete the system, and now go to that wall by face and get this one here and make it a solid wall, right? Okay, let me just do a few more curtain systems. Okay, one here, right, and create the system. Okay, the other one on this face as well. Okay, let me create the system on this one. Okay, create the system. Okay, select the face, create system. Okay, got him. Takes a little bit. Okay, but I promise you guys that it's gonna work at your time. Okay, create system over this face here, right? And create the system. Select the face, create the system. There we go, we got him. There we go. Okay, and then I think I'm missing only a few more. So let me create a system on this face here. Okay, here. Got it? Okay, so let me just go back, curtain system, select the face, create the system. There we go. Okay, and the last one, create system, create system. There we go. Right, we can do the roof by face as well. There's a roof by face, and we can select those faces and create the roof. Got it? Not the most perfect roof, but we can create those roofs as well, right? Okay, let me bring you guys to the main thing here. I'm gonna delete the mass model, and this is how your building is looking now. Got it? We're still missing the floor on the first floor, but that's the one that goes with everything, right? There we go. Okay, so the last thing, okay, don't forget to subscribe at Rincon BIM Consulting. Okay, you got an amazing building in just about a few minutes. On the next one, I'm going to try to put you guys the elevators and show you guys the shaft opening so we can put the elevators on the same place all the way up 750 feet above the ground. Okay, bye.